Congratulations. Lucky Conduct Award. Best with high honors at Conduct Award. Second place at Best Script in TV Broadcasting Filipino during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Narit Maria Juanson GP with high honors at Conduct Award. Column writer of the Ballpoint, which was awarded Best Wallpaper during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Gisado Chan Paulo A with high honors at Conduct Award. Russell Sharon Rose S with high honors at Conduct Award. Second place for the Broadcasting Filipino during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Meritorious Service Award as Grade 11 Representative. Roselio Darwin Eric A with high honors at Conduct Award. Salaris Michelle Elaine O with high honors. First place in online desktop publishing Filipino during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Editorial writer in Marola, which was awarded Best Wallpaper during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Sigubia KCP with high honors at Conduct Award. Solivas Andrea Elaine A with high honors. Tupia April May M with high honors. Fifth place in copy reading and headline writing Filipino during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Lilia Shiana Luis PLC with high honors. Second place and best script in Broadcasting Filipino during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Our request the parents to award the medals and to hand over the certificates. Congratulations.
To present the honorees who have earned good honors and special awards from the academic track Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand, may I call on Ms. Merlin May Makasundo. For the high honors in the academic track and the youth strand, may I call on Ms. Jennifer Arnao.
So may usang section. Ya sama ni.
Here are the list of winners of
Sana din.
awards.